g minus f minus 2 comma 7 radius g square plus f square minus c, that is 5. Second circle, center minus g minus f 6 comma 3, R2 value g square 36 plus f square 9 plus 4 7. So center C2 minus g minus f 6 comma 3. Distance between the centers x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root 80. We know that cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. D square value 80, r1 square 25, r2 square value 49 by 2 into 4 into 7, 5 into 7. So 6 by 2 into 35. 2 table 3 times, 3 by 35. Therefore, theta equal to cos inverse 3 by 35. Given R1 value 2, R2 value root 2 and distance between the centers C1, C2 equal to root 2. So that cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. D square value 2, r1 square value 4, r2 square value 2 by 2 into r1 value 2, r2 value root 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel minus 4 by 4 root 2, 4 cancel. So cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2 cos 135 degrees. Therefore, theta equal to 135 degrees, 3 pi by 4. Next, two circles. Condition is each circle passing through center of the other circle. Remember again, given that each circle passing through center of the other circle, that means first circle is passing through the center of the second circle. Second circle is passing through center of the first circle. So let C1, C2 are the centers. Take this one, let it be x. So from this diagram clearly R1 value x and R2 value is also equal to x and distance between the centers is also equal to x. Radius of the first circle x, radius of the second circle is also equal to x. Distance between the centers d is also equal to x. So cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. D square value x square minus x square by 2x into x. X square cancel minus x square by 2x square. X square cancel minus 1 by 2. Therefore, cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2 cos 120 degrees. So theta equal to 120 degrees, that equal to 2 pi by 3. Two circles 1 and 2. The angle between the circles given theta equal to 60 degrees. Theta equal to 60 degrees. Then find the value of C. Find the value of C. Center C1 equal to 1 comma 2. 2G value minus 2. G value minus 1. So center minus G minus F, that is 1. So 2F value minus 4. F value minus 2. Minus F value 2. R1 value, G square value 1, F square value 4, minus C, under root 5 minus C. Similarly, equation of the second circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4, 2G value minus 4, G value minus 2, 2F value minus 2, F value minus 1, center minus G minus F, that is 2 comma 1, R2 value, G square value 4, F square value 1, minus C, plus 4 minus 4 cancel, root 1 value 1. Distance between the centers under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 1 square value 1, 1 square value 1, root 2. Given theta is 60 degrees. We know the formula cos theta equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. Theta value 60, d square value 2 minus r1 square, root 2 square cancel, 5 minus c, r2 square value 1 by 2 r1 r2, 2 minus 5 plus c minus 1 by 2 into under root 5 minus c by 2 to cancel by cross multiplication under root 5 minus c. C 2 minus 6 equal minus 4. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 square cancel. A minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. C square minus 8c plus 16 minus 5 plus c equal to 0. C square minus 8c plus c minus 7c plus 11 equal 0. This is the quadratic equation in C. A value 1, B value minus 7, C value 11. We apply the formula minus B plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus of minus 7 plus 7 plus or minus under root b square value 49 minus 4 into a value 1, c value 11 by 2 into 1, 7 plus or minus 49 minus 44 by 2, 7 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Center C1 equal 1 comma 3, C2 value is 9 comma 11 and same radii that R1 equal to R2 equal to R. Given the two circles are cut orthogonally, then find R value. There are two conditions when the circles are cut orthogonally. Number 1 is d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. Number 2 is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. These two are the orthogonal conditions. In this way, we apply this formula. So, given r1 value, r2 value, let it be r, and d is the distance between the centers. So, first we calculate d value, that is c1, c2. under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. 8 square equal to 64. 8 square equal to 64. 128. So orthogonal condition d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. D value under root 28 whole square. R1 value R. R2 value is also equal to R. Root 2 square cancel. R square plus R square equal to 2R square. R square value 128 by 2, that is 64. R value root 64, that equal to 8. R is always positive. So radius is always positive. So take only positive value. So R value is 8. Find a circle which passes through these 2 points and cuts the circle orthogonally. By verification, the circle passing through the origin. So in the answer, there is a constant plus 1. So any equation passing through the origin, in that equation there is no constant. For that one, this is not the answer. Next, observe the first option. 2x square plus 2y square minus 11x minus 16y equal 0. First eliminate these two. We get x square plus y square minus 11 by 2x minus 8y equal 0. Substitute the second point minus 2 comma 5. This equation will be satisfied. Next, observe the orthogonal condition for this first option and third option. First option and given circle. So orthogonal condition 2g dash plus 2f dash equals c plus c dash. 2 g value minus 2, g dash value minus 11 by 4 plus 2, f value 3 by 2, f dash value minus 4 equals c plus c dash. So 4 cancel. Minus plus 11 minus 12 equal minus 1 minus 1 equal minus 1. So first option is orthogonal to the given circle. So we apply these three conditions. So by verification, first option is the right answer.